What's that? Alright, I'm just curious.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Lean 1413. Can you run an Indiana commemorative for me? You got ID on you?
No.
No?
Yeah, maybe in the car.
Yeah, do you mind getting it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Tom Charles Sam 451 Indiana commemorative. Really? Man, I got one running for me on foot on South 3rd Street, heading south. Stop! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Get on the ground now! Monsieur, tased now!
No!
Get the on the ground! Berrien, shots fired, South 3rd Street. One suspect down. I don't know. Oh my God. Berrien, run medic, call supervisor. Oh my God.
Are you good?
Where am I?
She obviously took off in the car.
Berrien, I'm gonna be here crossing P6 Modern Near on South 3rd Street in the little park. Oh my God.
Keep going.
He pulled a gun on me. He shot it towards me.
Okay. Go sit over there. Go sit over there.